I'm going back to the Philippines and leave him. Look at this one. Tambalim panim, timbalim panim, timbalim panim, panim panim. Aray, Mr. Diyos ko, oy! Good morning, guys! Dapat maligaw na rin ako. Kasi, ikasibata. Sadama natin. Ikasibata. I don't know if you guys remember that song. So, yeah, so Tommy is going to work, and obviously he's going to work. Last night he got home late. Like, I think he got home like 2 something, 2:30. He got home 2:30, and I was awake. And this morning is so funny, guys. And then I'm watching. Tommy's always watching this sci-fi thing movie. It's kind of scary. So I watched that like the time that he's home, 3 o'clock. And then at 4 o'clock I heard in the door. I said, what the heck is that? It's a freaking dog. I don't know how Roxy get up in the 2nd floor. I don't have any idea how he get up. And it's been raining. It is been raining because of the thunderstorm, the storm that hits Bahamas, Florida. Now it's in Carolina, South Carolina or North. I don't know which one, but so that's what happened, guys. And it's been raining here. And I'm so addicted with the smule, the singing thing. I uploaded that before, and then I decided, I don't like it. It's too much hassle. And then last night, that's what I've been doing, like singing. And anyway, guys, good morning. Magandang hapon sa Pilipinas. Magandang morning sa inyo din. Kahit saan kayo, morning, lunch, dinner, like evening. What time are you guys watching my vlog? Thank you guys so much for watching. And I have a new Facebook account. If you haven't add me there yet, please do. And if you haven't subscribed my channel also, please do. And I really appreciate it, guys. Kayo naman. Yung vlog ko is Vlog Pinay. Yung picture is ito. You can see that one there. That's it. Vlogger Pinay. And also, what else? I'm gonna do a shout out. Shout out si Sister Celsa de la Puerda Clemen. Hold on. Hi, sister. Hi. Thank you for watching. And Lini Timpo Godin. And also to Gersis I see. I know you're always in my Facebook. Drop in his head. Oh. I guess that's it. Hi guys, my husband is here. So I'm gonna ask the husband. Is it okay with you Christmas in the house?
You could have Christmas in the house.
Okay, what we need in the other house for Christmas eating?
Food. Table.
Oh yeah.
People.
Couch.
Places to sit. Beds, so that people get drunk, they can stay.
The floor is wide.
We're a bunch of old people. We don't sleep on floors. Only me.
And I notice also every morning that my head is like crazy pain. Like this is every morning now.
Whoever's on there.
You know, Hobbs tried to eat my laptop.
Rox, get down here.
Roxy! Karon ka. Ika maminaw, bunalan ta karon.
Stop being a little bratty girl.
Can I tell you something, Han? Yesterday, I went upstairs and they're down here roaming around. They're very quiet. Misty's sleeping. No, Misty's sleeping. Roxy is in that rocking chair over there like this. Sit down on it like this. And then when I sit down, when I get down, I said, where are you guys? And then Roxy, honey, doesn't move like being a human in the couch. I said, get down, you don't belong here. And then I sit back over here. It's quiet again. And then I sit here. Listen, hon.
I'm listening. Your puppy's sitting there and manipulate me to pet her.
And then he do like this. Oh, hon, I notice him. I notice it. She's speaking, you know, she's speaking. She's right there. She's speaking here like if I'm looking. And then so I pretend not looking. So I kept doing like this. And she jumped in the couch very quietly. Bonk. In that rocking chair. And then she sit down very quiet. I said, I see you. And then she jumped. And she really loved to be in the couch.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
He's
Around.
you wanna see what's going on under there? Hey! Where's the beep beep? Who wants some bones? Who wants some bonesy? Who wants some bonesy? Bonesy? They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Look at that face. Do you want the Misty? Do you want bunji? Do you want some bunji, Misty? No, Misty. Okay, this bone thing, guys, is not for like, you know, like just to make them happy. Make them happy also, but it's good for their teeth. Roxy and Misty's teeth is white, so I'm happy with that. Mama have to break this bone because you can't have the whole thing. This is good for 2 dogs. Okay. Here. Okay, that's it. Ingon ni Papa, ipabalik daw si Papa, ipapangit ang buyer.
Ha?
Ingon ni Papa,
Oh. Ipato ni Tonton, si Tonton may kamawa na mo tanaw sa kahoy, nas magsud na prebe. Si Tonton, yato sa isulpi nila, ingos Tonton nga, nani dagko kayo. Pero na pang dagan pa man kayo gagmay. Hala pa na mo ni. Dagan pa man kayo gagmay mo na kalanganin ulit ingon after mga 5 years daw.
Gaya
Basta bulto ginang paglagi, bulto na na, kung lagi nga na dako ko na nakita.
O, dako dyan nakita.
Kasi milyon kayo.
Milyon ang pag mo.
Isa sa milyon na.
O, dako kayo.
Libit daw. Oo, sige lang kay after mga 2 months muli naman ko. Wala na akong musika sunod ulit. Katong yagi magpapin, nahirapan ko din kay ipagultos pa yung pagpuntong ini.
So, ready na naman kuan nante matukuran.
Oo, tukuran na lang, napatag naman.
Gani, kung matukuran na nimo unya na kwarto, basta na kusina unya bisag akuan nya na putahan safety unya na kuan kulibangan. So, balhin na sinanay, malipay na sinanay ano, hinahin din nimo.
Ikaw sa may mobilin dito, si Jason sinanay lang.
Oo, unya sinanay kung
Jason, luya, nakalikol yung tiyok sapan.
imo na kuanan una ko kumakuan na tanan basta makura lang nimo kay para safety.
Wala ko lang pa kasi may mga timan nila kula si Jason, wala ni Rosa.
Bitaw pangita katabang te.
Bitaw, asa mas ko mangita. Wala ko lang pa naay mabilin sa balay na sinanay, masara magud sinanay.
Sa bukid so kadaghan dito magkuan.
Pila may bulan.
So, you guys, if you want to see this house, tour house with this, even though there's a lot of stuff, I don't really plan to tour this house if there is a lot of stuff, but it's not gonna happen sooner. But if you request, if you would like, only if you like to watch, if you want a tour to have this house, this my mother-in-law's house tour, even though there's a lot of crap everywhere, let me know. I will let you know, but some of the room I can't show you, and the inside of it I can't show you. Only the room, the other room, plus the other, every 2 rooms are locked because it's locked. The other room that where Tommy grew up, that room, it's locked. I just locked it the other day. My mother-in-law's room is, I'm not gonna get in there to show you, but yeah, so that's really it. But if you want only, but I'm not gonna just do it because it's this house is messy, as you can see behind me, like a lot of crap going on. So, and yeah, so just let me know if you want to see the house. It's very cold today, guys. It's cold. There is a sun, which is not bad, but it's freezing. I'm wearing my socks. I'm wearing this, and my left totoy is masakit. kailangan ng check up again. They've been asking, they've been calling me, they've been sending me message, my people who check me up. They've been sending me twice later that I need to check mine, because the last time that they checked my left totoy, my both totoy are, there's a kind of cyst, whatever that round thing that need to be relooked again, and figure out what it is, because that the last time that I did that, I have my menstruation a week before, and yeah, so now they're planning to check it up, and I kind of worried about it. I kind of don't feel like doing it, because I'm afraid if what's the result if there's some serious problem and I cannot handle it, because I keep telling my husband, if I have a problem name letter C, if you can figure it out, I'm going back to the Philippines and leave him. I don't want him to have a problem. This is my own opinion. Of course, he get mad when I say that, but this is my thing, that I don't want him to worried about me, worried, and he has his life that's been like taking care of everyone. And I kind of like nervous about it. Right, Rox? You don't want it, right? Do you want it? Do you want something? What do you want? You don't want to inherit it, right? Right? Do you love your mama? Do you love mama? Do you love Maya? Do you want some bonesy? You love the bones? You love out, or you love mama? Which one do you want? Look at this one. Timbalim panim, timbalim panim, timbalim panim, panim panim. Aray, Mr. Diyos ko, oy. Jealous little Roxy. Dambalim padam. Masakit talaga, guys, as in, no kidding, no joke. Okay, I'm gonna call them today and check it, because I'm feeling really bad right now. So anyway, guys, the boxes from upstairs, I put it down here. Look, boxes right there, and there's more boxes in the basement. I put all the boxes in the basement because the kid always ruined the box. Like, the box is no strength at all, because he like folded it like that, and we made this box gate kind of thing because we don't want the dog to go in the second floor. But Roxy, you know what Roxy does? From the ground here, from the floor, jump in here, jump to the stairs, and climb on the second floor. It's just a wise little puppy. I'm gonna look for the number. Okay, let me call my doctor. Hello, good morning. Hello. Yeah, not yet. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, good morning. This is Maryann. I just want to make an appointment. Do you guys have any schedule vacant for this week or tomorrow? $12:30. That's perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, you too. Bye-bye. Oh, it's done. It's done. Tomorrow is my appointment, 12:30. So I'm gonna keep this record over here and just keep it. That's my schedule. And I'm gonna call back. I'm going to call back the thing so that I can, hold on. I'll call them back first, my doctor. Hello, good morning. This is Maryann again. I called the radiologist. Tomorrow is my appointment, 12:30. Excuse me? Yeah. 12. Maryann. Thank you. Bye. I wasn't doing anything, Misty. So why you're staring at me? And of course her sister over there too. Right, Rox? You don't leave me alone? You're not gonna leave Mama alone? Do you want something? What do you want? Do you want something very special? Did I give you something? Do you want something, Roxy? Roxy?